Jan de Bray was born circa 1627, died 4th of April 1697, was a Dutch Golden Age painter. He lived and worked in Haarlem until the age of 60, when he went bankrupt and moved to Amsterdam. Jan de Bray was influenced by his father Salomon de Bray, and the portraitists Bartholomeus van der Helst, and Frans Hals. De Bray's works are mainly portraits, often of groups, and history paintings. He specialized in combining the two genres in the portrait histoire, portraits of historical figures using contemporary figures, including himself and his family. Among his finest works are two versions of the Banquet of Cleopatra, using his own family, including himself, as models. The second version has great pathos, as most of those depicted had died in the plague of 1663 to 1664.